How to use the body reshape tool in the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here tap on the photo option and select the photo that you would like to use the body reshape tool for. After choosing the photo, you will see many options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the beautify option on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, scroll left until you see an option called AI weight loss. Then simply tap on it and make sure to upload a full body picture or else this feature won't work. And these are some simple few steps you can follow to use body reshape tool in the Meitu app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. You can also comment down below if you want videos on any specific topic. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.